Got an old Honda with a mechanical tachometer. I'll show you how to fix the problem. I just got this hooked up on a drill. I can put this in. As you can see, the needle will move very slowly. But it keeps rising up even though the drill speed doesn't get any stronger. And then it's slow to return. But if you rev it up really good, when it gets up around 5,000–6,000, then it starts working like it's supposed to. But slow speed, the needle moves really slow. It's not very accurate. If you take these two screws out, all that does is just make it loose inside. It's still inside the case where you can't get to it. These holes are where the illuminating lights are to light it up for nighttime. But they've got shields to where you can't get any spray lube on the thing to help lube it up any. So the only way to get to it is to take it out of the housing. And the way you do that is this chrome trim. You just need to pry that loose to where you can separate the two apart. Get you a nice sharp screwdriver and just start slowly going around it. See if I can show you here some, if it's going to focus. We just slowly pry it open without destroying the ring, which I don't want to focus. So, but anyway, I'll get this prider out and bring it back. Okay, once you get it pried around almost all the way, you don't have to go all of it. Just give it a push and it will pop out of there. And now you got the two cases. And your ring is still pretty good shape. It'll be easy to crimp that back over, and you can also clean out the inside of the lens while you got it. But now you can see the insides. You can see it's kind of, I can feel that it doesn't move all that easy. Here it does. It moves real easy. Down here it's harder to move it when you're going at the slope. When you get up around 6, then it moves real easy. So I'm going to take these two screws loose. You got to be careful that you don't damage your needle while you got it opened up like this. Because if you bend the needle, then you get to straighten that out. See, that just separates. I'm going to try putting some lube on there and see what that does. We'll try some right here on this joint. Just keep wiggling it around. Get the oil to go in. You see it's starting to move faster now. Stupid flies. Yeah, now it's holding steady. It doesn't keep going faster. The drill stays the same, and so does the needle now. It's not moving up. I think that did it. We'll get this put back together, put it on the bike, see what happens. All I had to do, this little joint right here, if you can see, that just needed to be lubed up a little. There's nothing down here in the bottom to lube up, because this does not touch this. It's just magnetic in it. That's what creates a magnetic field to move that. The only thing that's supporting it is right there. That just needed a little bit of lube. So we'll put it back together. Maybe. Well, anyway, I'll get this put back around. Alright, I got it put back together. Got the chrome pounded back together. Just take your time. It's not that hard to do. You won't mess it up. Let's give it a try and make sure it still works. If I can get it in there. Run slow. The needle don't keep climbing up as the drill stays the same speed. Speed it up a little more. There it works. Get it put back on the bike, and that's how you fix one.